Alright, yo, trade recap from today on the funded account. Today I took one trade, one W trade, 5 minutes into market open, and that was it. Already done for the day then. Like those are the best trades. So I can show it in Top Step. Let's close this. Your competing clock is not synchronized. Okay. So 50k Express account, 50k Combine, Challenge account, which I'm trading simultaneously. As I said already, like I want to risk like $500 per trade on this account. But it's like hard to do simultaneously when I also want to take every trade on my Express account. Like every trade to me is the same trade, part of my system. So every trade that I take on here, why not also take it on here? That's what I want to do. But yeah, I want to risk more on this $500 per trade. But for now, I'm just copy trading them and it's fine. Like risking $300 per trade instead of 500. But still, this account at 5k, 50k 530, and this account is now at 50k 240. Or was that now? Can I even see? Like it shows this here on your account. Like the balance is $218. Like it doesn't say 50k. It also technically isn't a 50k account, but still. Trade recap from today. A trade that I took. Going into trading view. Trading view. Getting this off. Remove drawings. Remove drawings. Right. So going into today. Where are we in the charts? So from the weekly, this is what it was looking like. Very bullish. Just insanely bullish. Economic calendar. What is this looking like? Monday, Sunday. All right, so this was the economic calendar for the week. Trump speaking on Monday got added later to the calendar. Before it was no news Monday. Yeah, today, Tuesday, we had CPI and we also had Trump speaking. Trump speaking is medium impact, so that's totally fine. Last Friday was high impact. I'm normally not trading when Trump is speaking and it's high impact news. I just don't touch the chart, don't touch the charts at all. But today was just a fine trading day. After CPI, it's tradable. It says 2:30 p.m. here, but it's in my time, I think. So I should change this to, yeah, it's Amsterdam time. I'm from the Netherlands, so that's why. Should be to -4 Eastern time, US, Canada. So yeah, CPI of course at 8:30, always at 8:30. And after 9:30, that's always when I trade. It was tradable. So going into market open, this is just insanely bullish. I'm looking at this high as the original consolidation. Looking at this market make a buy model, higher time frame. Like this is what I was looking at as well. I don't know if I said it in a video. Probably I said it somewhere, but I was saying like this huge drop, it looked like the market was just gonna die. But higher time frame, like a 6-month chart, it was just insanely bullish. Like we're just in a singular bullish busy here, just a singular busy here, which you just reacted off of. And the next strong liquidity will just be low hanging fruit, which should just be all time high. So literally just this, what I wanted to see is just a retracement for us to go higher. And so far that's just going insanely well. But yeah, higher time frame still bullish. I don't really care about that high of a time frame, but once we have a change in state of delivery, lower or higher, that's what I look for as my higher time frame bias, and that's what I always refer to or refer back to. So goes above change in state of delivery here. So here I'm already bullish. So this is bullish. Why am I looking at this original consolidation actually? So stage accumulation or original consolidation, stage accumulation, stage accumulation, stage accumulation, and stage accumulation because yes, also has a swing high there. So it's not as clean, but still these highs are just significant to me. So anything in between here is just not a target for me. Like doesn't mean that if I'm in a long year then this would be my first next CP. No, but that's where I'm expecting for the market to go to and trend towards to. So a draw on liquidity. This was a stage accumulation, which is literally the same high. Oh, not here. This is already taken. Same high here. So that high there, which is beautifully taken today, and also just dropping after that. So that was just beautiful. And then also this high. For tomorrow, I'm actually expecting for us to take this and even go higher. But yeah, that's something for tomorrow. But yeah, I was trading New York session. Let's go to the 50-minute and mark out New York open really quick. Here. here. Okay, let's see. So going into open, I was expecting for us to just, this is what it was looking like, just here, just insanely bullish. Where were we delivering off of? You have a busy here, 2 hour, busy there, busy there. Do we have a singular one? I don't even remember. No, don't have a singular one. So just 1 hour. We were delivering off this 1 hour busy here, which we were holding just very, very nice here. And I don't think there also wasn't a singular one here. No. So also a 1 hour here, which we were just also holding. Very nice. And what I just wanted to see today is either I wanted to see a retracement lower at open. We were already trading all the way up here. We didn't take the higher yet. Wait, I'm not pretty sure actually. Wait, let me check. Oh no, we did already take this high actually. So I'm way zoomed out here, but this was a drawn liquidity. That was just a low hanging fruit. Market opened just literally on this candle while we were trading inside of here, somewhere lower there. This will be low hanging fruit. And then I kind of wanted to see, or not really what I want to see. There are two scenarios really. Of course, there are more scenarios, but once price actually shows that it wants to do something different outside of those two scenarios, then I'm gonna come up with different kinds of scenarios. But I think that's really important actually, like thinking about, oh, what could happen, like not marrying what will happen, like not actually marrying the bias or marrying what will happen, but like coming up with scenarios that could happen. And if this doesn't happen, then I would have to come up with something new. But yeah, so I had two scenarios in my head. And what I want to see is either market open, trade inside of here, which we probably had some gaps in here as well. Like I already saw on the lower time for like 50 minutes, we have small one there, small one here, that's just really low. But then a singular one, always look at singular ones. Then we have this 1 hour, this 1 hour. I kind of want to see price just as 9:30 choose swing, just trade lower for a bit, take some of this liquidity in here, and then trade higher. Or what I was actually leaning towards, and not saying because in hindsight or something now, like not trying to have any ego at all, but just honestly what I think wanted to happen, and was just very nice that happened today. Just because you're just insanely bullish, not have any clear manipulation at all, or clear, just not have any huge manipulation at all, and just be insanely bullish today. Also made a lot of sense to me because we have, looking at the economic calendar, I was actually for this week expecting for us to make the low of the week on Tuesday, like Monday accumulation in my head, Tuesday manipulation, and then expansion as well. Wednesday we don't really have anything because we already have an expansion here. Thursday taking out the liquidity for Wednesday, and then trading higher again, and then Friday expanding even higher. So very, very bullish this week. But this week we put in the low of the week on a Monday. For me, that doesn't really say much, but it can maybe say, I don't really know that actually, but Monday, if that's the low of the week, that it can be insanely bullish. I have that seen a couple times before, but I don't know if that's actually like true most of the time. Don't have any data supporting that, but still, just being insanely bullish then. But Tuesday didn't want to put, like, obviously didn't put the low of the week in, but just an expansion then. And yeah, that's so far what we got. So maybe it could be still an entirely or just insanely bullish week. But yeah, today was nice. But yeah, going into the actual trade recap though. Open here. What we got, we didn't get a huge manipulation. Just got a small manipulation and then traded higher. And my entry model was just really simple. We have a SIBI here. We have a SIBI here. I go to the 2 minute to make a singular SIBI out of these two. 2 minute reset. Let's go back to the open. Had a pretty big stop. So now we have a singular gap. We inverse this singular one. IVG. And there is now my entry. Stop is at the low, huge stop as I said. Taking some sort of equal lows. So we take out this low, we take out all these lows, kind of like a trend line in here as well. We take those lows, close above here, break even at this external high, which is a 0.53 RR. And then what I'm targeting is a 1-to-1 inside of a 1-to-2, because the drawn liquidity, like as I said, there's nothing in between, which interests me. This is a 4.85 R. Of course, that's outside of a 1-to-2, so I'm only targeting a 1-to-1. and that was my TP. So entered there, TP there, and that was the day. Like TP in like first 20 minutes of market open. Bro, that's just the feeling there. It's just it's so nice. Like I was done for the day there. I had nothing else to do, only backtest, and I was just enjoying the sun. And that was it. Like that could be trading. Like it's just a simple, quick day. Yeah, I love those kind of days. Like I love trading, but being on the charts the entire day, like of course I would prefer being off the charts in 20 minutes compared to being on the charts for an entire day and then taking W. Like if I could choose, of course. But yeah, of course you can see the market did went all the way higher to up there, but that's not what I need. That's not the system. I'm trading a 1-1 inside of a 1-2, so I don't have any FOMO with that. Don't have any feelings with that. Just trading my plan, trading my model, seeing my TP gets hit. I close the chart instantly. I don't care about anything else that happens after. Which also, if I really think about it, it's also just a very nice thing. Like thinking about, let's say I do cared a lot. Like, oh shit, I took a 1-1 RR. I could have gotten a 1-4 out of that. I have literally zero feelings with that, which I'm actually, um, yeah, proud of actually. Um, like I'm imagining if I, yeah, thought about it otherwise, but yeah, I'm glad with with this. So yeah, got a 1W trade, $240 on this. I'm risking, as I said, $300 per trade. But because I was risking 2 contracts on this trade, so 2 micros. 3 micros would have been like $350, and I really try to stay below that or around that $300 mark, $300 risk. Yeah, that 3 contracts was just too much for me. So I risked 2 contracts, which is $240, and yeah, 1-1 R, I got $240 out of that as well. So yeah, that was the trade recap. And yeah, that was just it. Tomorrow I am trading. Maybe I am at work, so I don't know if I'll actually be able to trade. London session then. I won't be trading New York session, but yeah, so far it's a great start to the account. It's just one winning day, but the thing with where I'm glad with the most is like I'm having a W trade today. I had a W trade yesterday, and before that I had a loss. Before that loss, I had also a loss, so 2 losses. But before that was my challenge account, which I was trading before this, which were the last 3 trades of that were W trades, and then had some losses in between there, 2 losses, and then all before that, 2 weeks of trading total, all days before that were also W. So what I'm actually seeing now is I'm actually seeing the results from my backtesting actually in my trading right now, which is just an amazing thing, like an amazing feeling. Like that just gives me so much confidence. I don't care about losing trades that I take. I know, okay, I'm trading the actual system now. Um, I know that eventually I will be back on top because I know it's just a very, very profitable model. In the end, it will just be profitable, and I will get something out of it. If I don't break any rules, I'm not planning on breaking any rules. Um, yeah, hopefully it continues like this. So yeah, that will be the trade recap. Um, oh, I see that this now got reset. My max loss limit is now 1781. Of course, that changes. Didn't think about that. But yeah, that will be the trade recap. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, hopefully. Thanks for watching. See you. Ciao.